how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Need help setting up your AirPods or AirPods Pro? We will walk you through to connecting your Apple wireless earbuds to your iPhone or iPad and give you advanced tips to help amp up your listening experience. Apple marketing department will have you believe that its hardware and software work as if by magic. Likely setting up your AirPods or AirPods Pro is needed pretty easy, especially if you are connecting them to an iPhone or iPad. But we have a step-by-step introduction in case you get stuck, along with advanced tips for getting the best experience for your two wireless earbuds possible. And if you need advice on connecting your AirPods to an Android phone or to a Mac, we have got that too. First, you have need to update your iPhone and iPad to the latest software. You will need to be running at least iOS 10 or iPads 30 in order for your first, second, or third generation AirPods to work with your phone. Both first generation and second generation AirPods Pro user will need to have at least iOS 40 running or their iPhone and iPads OS 40 on their iPad in order for them to work. Your charging case with the AirPods docked inside and have you iPhone or iPad nearby and unlocked because the AirPods have Apple's or H1 or H2 chip. The seamless pairing process. Simply open the lid to the charging case and you should see on screen prompts appear on your phone or tablet. AirPods Pro pairing, the first screen you see will show an image of the AirPods with a button below that says connect. Press connect. You will then get a progress screen with an image of the AirPods rotating while the word connecting appears below. And just like that, you are connected and ready to rock. But you can do more to customize controls and adjust settings to best suit your performance. The media controller screen pops up to tell you what to do to play, push, skip a track, or go back to the previous song in your playlist. They are performed via respective signal double and triple taps on the stem of the earpieces, which is where the active control surfaces. If you have AirPods Pro, the next screen explain how noise control works. Press and hold either earpieces to toggle between noise cancelling and transparency. The former keeps the outside world shut out for distraction free listening, while the latter lets you hear your own voice and ideas for making phone calls. If you want to completely turn both off, you can, but you perform that action on a different screen. We will tackle that next. This screen show you how the AirPods Pro can be accessed and controlled via the control center. If you tap and hold the volume slider on the control center screen, it opens up more equipments for you to adjust.